there, this is Dr. Karishma Ahuja. Tell me your company and I will tell you who you are. It is extremely important for us to interact with and spend time with people who are positive, with people who encourage you to believe in yourself. Please restrict interactions with people who would make fun of you or your dreams. These people will only pull your energy down and they will create more doubt in your mind. And we don't need doubt. Doubt is a low vibration. Faith and high energy is what we need to achieve our dreams, to achieve big in our life. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja wishing you all the very best. Namaste.